Hello and welcome to a product tutorial on the J.D. Power Data Insight integration. J.D. Power is one of the industry's leading book value providers, leveraging over 90 years of expertise in real-time market insights. J.D. Power integrates seamlessly within the Carketa system, directly in the appraisal suite, vehicle sourcing, and pricing. Let's dive into a few key product use cases to see how this integration can benefit your dealership. First, let's start with the appraisal tool. Whether you're buying cars at auction on the mobile application, desktop, or using the Chrome extension during simulcast, you can access J.D. Power book values instantly. The cool thing about this integration is that you carry the same data insights throughout your entire process, from appraising and reconditioning to repricing strategies. Using J.D. Power data, your reconditioning team can maintain lending guidelines. This integration supports smart funding across all dealership contracts. The integration also features a print function that allows you to stretch data out of the Chrome extension on your desktop, making it easy to incorporate these insights into your dealership documents. Additionally, the J.D. Power data integrates with Carketa's scoring system. This tool is essential for lending guidelines, providing a quick insight into your book value appraisal overview. This integration also supports the sale of ancillary products like warranties and gap insurance, giving you a comprehensive view of your vehicle's market position and lending power. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the J.D. Power Data Insight integration within the Carketa platform. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team. Optimize your dealership operations with real-time market insights today.